Right here, that's the American side, and that's the casino way over there. There's a swing to the right. There's a trail that goes down to the Horseshoe Falls, as they call it. And way over there, that's the Canadian side. The Canadian side of the border over here in Niagara Falls. And between us is the Niagara River, so it separates us. And this is a very popular spot. And so this is a very good area for doing network marketing. All the customers, all the businesses, and all the people you can network with. So that's what we're going to talk to you today about, network marketing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Larry Fobbs on the job. I'm with Ncrease Elite Income Builders. We're a group, we're a member all over the world. So today we're continuing our series and we're talking about this right here. We got some good news, some very good news. Okay, so here we are out here in Niagara Falls, having a good time. As you saw before this clip here, I was showing you the Canadian side and the American side. So that is showing you a lot of traffic. So now if you're a network marketer, you're thinking to yourself, okay, how can you network with all those individuals? Especially if you have a business and you're trying to earn an income. So that's what us Ncrease Elite Income Builders do. We help you build your business. We help you with network marketing. So I want you to watch the video after this right here, because one of our guys, they're going to describe exactly, going to go into details how you can get set up with your network marketing. And also the value of partnering with us, Ncrease, how we can help you with your networking efforts. So we're out here in Niagara Falls, very unique area. So if you're similar, you're in a place where there's a lot of groups, a lot of individuals, a lot of businesses, how can you get in contact with them? Okay, watch the following video. And also at the bottom of this video, like I was saying, us Ncrease Elite Income Builders, we have members all over the world. So the person's going to have their contact information below this video, and they're waiting for you to contact them, because it doesn't matter where you are. You're in America, you're in China, you're in Japan, you're in Europe. We have members all over the world. And what we do, we help people with their network marketing and also with their finances. So contact the person's information at the bottom of this video. And watch the following video, because they're going to go into detail as to how we can help you with your network marketing skills. Okay, until then, have a safe, the virus is going away, so don't worry about it. It's going away. And things are looking up. All right, until my next video, take care and have a blessed day.
Perfect. Okay. So, who are we? Again, we are Team Elevate. Shout out to everybody on the team. Shout out to everybody that's on the team that's making money from home. We got a lot of people on our team making money from home now. It's just truly incredible. I've never seen anything like this in terms of what we've been able to do in a very short period of time. And our team, Team Elevate, we have a lot of training, we have a lot of tools, we have a lot of systems, we got a lot of bells and whistles, a lot of gadgets, kind of like Batman. We got a lot of things in our utility belt that can help a lot of people to make some serious residual income or even daily income. So I'm going to break it down for you. Let me show you really quick here. So we've got a new business opportunity here that our group is sharing. The great thing about it is, like I've been saying, it requires you to do no recruiting, no selling, no convincing, and of course, no headache if you don't want to. So I'm speaking to the people right now that don't want to do any selling, don't want to do any recruiting, don't want to do any convincing, don't want to do any explaining. You just want a way to how you can make money from home without you talking to anybody. Guess what? I've got it. Okay? Pay close attention to this, because you're going to get all the information. Now, we've got that for those individuals, because some of you, that's what you're looking for. Then we got something for people that want to create residual income. Guess what? We've got that. Okay. We've got a way that can require you to share and do some different things if you want to. It's not required, but if you do, we got a way how you can make, excuse me, how you can make some serious residual income with an automated system that pays weekly, and that can allow you to make $125 a week all the way up to $250,000 a week. Okay, right now. Okay, this is what we got. So we're meeting both needs here. Now, myself, I like having, a skill that can allow me to do these types of things as well. And even on the other side, so left and right, I'm both, right? But whatever side of the business you want to focus on, we've got you. Now, the name of the company that we partner with is called Ncrease. Okay, it's a company that's based out of Dallas, Texas, and let me tell you this company is doing some amazing things right now. Okay, I know you've been hearing some things, you've been seeing some stuff on Facebook, a few things on YouTube, a few things on Instagram. You've been hearing some things, right? And guess what? It's all true. We've got something really, really exciting here with our company. Now, one of the things that's really causing a lot of buzz right now is this thing called binary options, or HFX. Okay, so and basically they're the same thing. So just so you know, it's the same thing. People call it different things, but they're basically the same thing. What is this? What is this HFX? What is binary options? What do they do? Well, mainly it's basically a strategy. It's a trading strategy. Now hold on, don't leave. I know I said trading strategy, and some of you are like, oh, there you go again. That's too complicated. Nope. Stay where you're at. Don't go anywhere, because binary options and HFX is so simple. Anybody can do this. This is a way on how you can make money from home without having to talk to anybody. We got people doing it right now as we're speaking. Hold on one second. Somebody just got paid with HFX and binary options on our team right now. Wait. Somebody else just got paid with HFX and binary options, and all they had to do was hit a button. Okay, I'm going to show you how this works. Let me kind of break it down for you. It's really, really simple. It's kind of like playing a video game. I know a lot of you like playing video games and all that stuff, Xbox, PlayStation, games on your phone and tablet and computer and all that stuff. But with this one here, you can actually make money with this kind of video game, okay? And it's a lot easier than most of those video games that you're playing right now, okay? It's really, really simple. It's easy to set up, pays out fast. Like, since I've been talking over the last 30 seconds, someone on our team just got paid in binary options again, okay? That's how fast we actually get paid here. No complicated calculations to figure out, no complicated apps to download. And of course, there's no overwhelm. So that's why I said, don't go anywhere. I said trading, but don't go anywhere. Stay in your seat, watch, okay? Because there's no overwhelm here. Because why? Because when I say trading, I mean, I'm trading HFX and binary options. So that's super, super easy. And you're going to find out how that works. Let me kind of break it down for you really quick here. Okay. This is an illustration. I'm going to break down what the HFX strategy is, or binary options. Remember, they're the same thing. So I'm going to break down what this strategy is and how you can do it. And anybody that's watching, if you're watching this live or you're watching the replay, you can actually do this. Let me kind of show you how this works here. So you got 0 seconds that represents here, 30 seconds on this side right here, and everything in between right here is just time. So 0 seconds goes all the way to the finish line. That's basically 30 seconds. So this just represents 30 seconds of time. Make sense? Okay. Now, when we're trading HFX, there's a lot of different things that you can trade. Currencies, gold, silver, oil, currency pairs, and of course, even companies like McDonald's and Facebook and all these different type of companies. I'm sure everybody here has heard of Apple. Okay. Guess what? We can trade Apple. I like trading Apple here with HFX. I'm having really good luck with Apple and some other ones as well. Okay. But kind of give you an example here. We're going to trade some Apple stock. We're going to do an example here. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay. So pay close attention. Okay. Now, when you're trading HFX, depending on whatever you're trading, whether it's oil, whether it's gold, silver, currency pairs, whatever, right? Each item is going to come with what they call a payout percentage. Okay. For example, okay, in this example here, let's say if I was going to trade some Apple stock using the HFX strategy, let's say, for example, they're going to pay out a 92% payout. Okay, and this number can change. It could be 80% one day. It could be 70% the next day. Let's say it's 92%. And I've actually traded Apple stock with HFX while it was at 92%, a 92% payout. And remember, this number can fluctuate, okay, depending on whatever you're doing, okay? Now, Let's say, for example, we're going to do $100 trade, okay, for 30 seconds. We're going to do a 30-second, trade of Apple stock, and we're only going to trade $100. Now, basically, so what do you mean by trading? What are you doing? Well, let me kind of give you an example. We're either typically buying, okay, we're going to either buy a trade, right, or we're either going to sell. Meaning, if I'm buying, if I'm going to do a $100 buy of Apple stock with a $100 trade, I'm basically predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. And at the end of those 30 seconds, if the price of Apple stock is actually higher and my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money. I can even predict if Apple stock is going to go down in the next 30 seconds. And if my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money as well. So here in HFX, we can make money if the price is going up. We can make money if the price is going down. Just all depends on what you're trading, okay, and how you want to trade. Now, let me kind of give you an example here. We're going to do a buy here, okay? I'm giving you an example of a buy, okay? Now, watch this. Let's say, for example, here, this line here represents the price of Apple stock. Let's say it's whatever. It could be really high up here, or it could be really, really low down here near the bottom. Let's just say when I entered the trade, okay, I entered it right here. So whatever that price might be, okay, hypothetically. And what's going to happen is it's going to, on this little system that we've got, it's going to actually draw an entry line here, and it's going to stretch that line all the way to the finish line, which is what? 30 seconds. So meaning, I'm going to predict, okay, I'm making a prediction here based off of what Ncrease is telling me, our experts are telling me. They're saying, hey, we're predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. Buy, everybody buy, everybody buy. And I'm going to buy right now. So when I hit buy, what's going to happen? It's going to show this little line. You've seen this line go up and down when it comes to the price of stocks and everything. So it's doing its thing and it's going down. So here, let me pause it. I'm pausing it real quick here. The object of the game is, as long as when this line reaches the finish line here, as long as it's above this entry line right here, guess what? We win the trade. That's the object of the game. That's it. Told you this is easier than, Angry Birds. This is just easy, right? So the object of the game is I'm predicting that the price of the stock of Apple, which is right here, is going to be higher than my line of entry. So it should end up somewhere above this line, okay? Like it is now. So let me hit play again. So it's doing what it's doing. It's moving around. It's doing its thing and all that and everything. And then it finally finishes. And again, it didn't matter that it went down here, because all that matters is where it's at the end of the finish, okay? So it finished above that line. So whatever that price is here when I started, but if you look here at the finish, it's actually higher. So what does that mean? I just won $92 in 30 seconds, okay? Now, I know I went a little longer explaining this. It probably took about a few minutes, but in reality, when I hit start, boom, it's going to pay me out a $92 profit because I did a $100 trade. So I just walked away with $192. And guess what, guys? I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to do a 3-way phone call. I didn't have to send nobody a link. I didn't have to get on a webinar. I didn't have to do any of that. All I had to do was hit this little green button right here. That's all I did. Okay? So that's why I say it doesn't matter what you've done in the past. You can actually do this business. Okay? You can actually learn this strategy. Matter of fact, let me show you how this works here. Watch this. Watch this here. Check this out. Now, here's a live example of actually me doing a live trade of actual Apple stock. Told you I trade Apple all the time. It's one of my favorite ones out of HFX. There's other ones that I use as well. It's not just Apple, but I just happen to have recorded it when I did this. Watch this here. Here's an example.
And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a sell. I think I'm going to do a buy here. So you see the ball here went down, but it's going to go back up here. So I'm going to predict that it's going to go back up here, and like it's doing now. And I'm just going to enter that trade. So the object of the game is see my line of entry. This is when I just hit the green button. So here's my line of entry. So I got to make sure that this ball stays above this line for the next, 15 seconds, which is this line right here. So So if it can stay above this green line, let's see how much we'll win. I did a $100 trade on Apple stock, and let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna win this trade. I won that trade. How much we win in 30 seconds? Just won 192 bucks. Well, boom. And I did a 30-second trade with a $100 trade for 30 seconds. And all I did, I just hit the green button and just won $192 just like that. And I can do it again and again and again if I want to. So I just made almost a couple $100 in 30 seconds. So that's how simple this is.
Simple. Here's a few examples of the other people winning some trades. As you can see, just different currency pairs. The green represents that they won. The white represents the amount that they traded. So you can kind of see, and you can even see some that they lose, just like with any kind of trading strategy. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, but as long as you're winning most of your trades, which is what we teach, we show you how to make those predictions. So most of your trades, you're actually winning. So I think they won 10, I think, and lost. Well, out of 10 trades, look like they lost one. I think the same with this one. I don't know how many this one was, but look, this was Home Depot. They were trading Home Depot here. So really, really simple here, guys. It's definitely not rocket science. But again, like I said, profits disclaimer, past profits don't guarantee future profits. It just goes with anything. I mean, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading, cryptocurrencies or whatever, when it comes to the trading markets, the great thing I love about HFX, it's not that it's any different than any other type of trading strategy. The one thing that makes it different from a lot of other things that I've seen is that the simplicity of it. Okay. That's typically been the roadblock for a lot of people to get into this game, is that it's very complicated, whether it's Forex, whether it's this, whether it's that. And we've got Forex training and all that great stuff here inside of Ncrease also. However, the great thing about HFX, it levels the playing field. So now everybody can play and you don't need a college degree to figure it out. And that's a great thing that we've got here. And again, with HFX, requires no selling, no recruiting, no auto ship worry, and no problem. Okay. And yes, you can do this. We've got all this actually under our umbrella inside of Ncrease University, which is what Ncrease offers. It's one of our products that we have here. We have several products in several different niches. We're not a Forex company or whatever. We've got a lot of different things. This is one of our exciting products that we do have that's creating a lot of buzz online is the Ncrease University pack. And inside the Ncrease University pack, you're going to get access to HFX information, our live trading sessions, trade ideas, Ncrease indicators, and even more even under the Forex training. We have a lot of Forex training as well. So basically going to give you the financial education that you need to be able to make money from home without you having to talk to anyone. Okay, makes sense. This is what that product provides. It provides you a way on how you can make money from home without having to do any recruiting or selling if you don't want to do any of that. And we, of course, as you know, when it comes to trading, there are people that are making hundreds of dollars a day. There are people that are making thousands of dollars a day in trading. There are people that are making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and there are people that are making millions of dollars per day trading. Guess what? When it comes to our bonuses for the team, for people joining our group, Team Elevate, we have the Elevate Your Life system. Okay, that's the name of the system that we have here. It has capture pages, email swipes, content marketing calendar, marketing training, custom branding. Like you can actually put your own, guys, you can even put your own video on our web pages. So like those pages I just showed you, like if you got your own story, you develop your own story, maybe you do your own presentation or whatever, guess what? You could put your own videos on our system, okay, to share your story, because it converts even better when people see you doing things. But starting off, it has everything that you need. So you don't have to add anything. You can use it as is. But if you want to put your own content on there, guess what? You have the ability to do it. And even in the back office of our system, we got a lot of training. We show you exactly what to do, depending on whatever you want to focus on. Some of you are going to want to get started, and all you're going to want to be focused on is just learning how to trade HFX. And that's great. We've got it all laid out, the onboarding and everything that'll show you exactly what you need to do so you can start hitting that green and red button to start making money every day. Okay? So we got that all laid out. And or if you're like, hey, I want to do that, and I want to be able to share this because this is crazy. I got to let my whole family know about this, right? Well, guess what? We got it all laid out what you need to do, how you need to get everything set up step by step. Just follow the steps. It's all in the back office. Where is this at? It's in the back office. Well, Steve, how do I set? It's in the back office. Well, where do I go? It's in the back office of our system. Okay. It's all there set for you and the people that you start to bring aboard. So you don't have to really make anything. Okay. All you have to do is just start sharing. Make sense? That's what we got here, guys. And not to mention, when it comes to the HFX, now today is, as I'm making this video, of course, we've got a live session happening in the next several hours here. And again, so let me kind of explain how this works really quick here. For when it comes to our live HFX, sessions, we have them every day, Sunday through Thursday at 10 p.m. Eastern, meaning I don't know what day you're watching this video, because some of you are going to be watching this as a replay. So later on this evening, as I'm watching this, we're going to get on this call and we're going to make some money. These live sessions, we make money on these live sessions, okay? Because we have an expert, right? A really good expert that knows HFX and knows how to make the right calls, okay? And they're going to be able to help you. Not only that, but also help you to learn different strategy so you can start making your own calls, okay? Meaning, are you going to buy or are you going to sell, okay? That's what's coming up here. Now, again, that's where I'm going to be. I already know where I'm going to be at 10 p.m. tonight, okay? Where are you going to be at? So when I get on these calls, it's here strictly, definitely, we're making money. Or if not, just learning how to really take advantage of it. Because learning how to do HFX is simple. It's easy. Everybody here will know how to do that within the next hour. Can you hit a red or green button? What these calls really help you to do is really help you to develop strategy, okay? So you can make even better predictions to win more trades. And then, of course, we have a really good formula that we're going to show you specifically because of what we're doing with these live sessions and what you're going to be doing on your own. Okay, because HFX is so simple, guys. You're going to be trading on your own real fast. And when you do your first trade, you're going to be like, that's it? This is all I got to do. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm just telling you what I know. I'm not telling you what someone told me or what I heard or what I read. I'm telling you what I know. When you do your first trade by hitting a red or green button in your mind, because adults, we like to complicate things. You're going to be like, there's got to be more than this. Nope, that's it. Hit a red or green button and watch the ball bounce around for a little bit, for 30 seconds, a minute to 2 minutes, whatever time frame that you choose in your trade. And what we've got a formula that you can follow over the next 90 days when you start, where you can take a $50 account, turn it into 1,000, and then scale it over a 90-day period to 6 figures. Okay? This isn't hype. This isn't some fancy, this is just numbers. That's all it is. Some of you probably heard of compound, a compounding strategy, right? Or compound interest, or, or compound profits, or what have you, right? This is what this is. This is just a formula that you can follow based off of your winnings that you're winning when you're trading HFX. And if you can definitely got to be consistent, and you got to be disciplined. And that's where our group comes into play. Okay, because some people get a little greedy. They start winning and they get a little greedy. So, but you gotta stay focused. Get in, get out. Next day, get in, get out. Follow the path. We got the structure already here. Okay, so if that's what you want to do, we've got it all laid out for you. Now, again, we've got webinars, we got Facebook groups, we got marketing training, we got marketing systems, we got traffic resources, personal development. We got all that stuff. Okay. It's basically up to you when you're ready to get started. We're waiting on you. Everything is set. We're just waiting on you to get started. Okay. I'm excited. And again, when we get on this call tonight, it's going to be like 500 plus people on there, maybe even more. It just keeps on growing and growing and growing. And it really feels good to be around. It feels good when you're on a call and everybody's making money. That is, guys, that is so crazy that it just, I've never witnessed anything like that. To be on a call with hundreds of people on there and everybody's typing and commenting on the side, on the Zoom. Hey, I just won. I won. Guys, it's amazing. It is truly amazing. And I encourage everybody here, okay? Everybody watching, whether you're watching this live, whether you're watching this on a replay, whether it be on YouTube or on Facebook or inside of our, our Elevate Your Life group here, whoever invited you here to this group. It's truly amazing. And I'm super excited about what we've got here, mainly because of the simplicity of it. I'm just looking around my desk because I'm looking at the compensation plan. I got a copy of it right here. And I'm here. Let me get it. This comp plan, guys. This comp plan is amazing. Okay. Now, not only is the comp plan amazing, the system of trading, HFX, is truly a blessing, because I've been wanting to trade for a long time. The only reason I've never really traded is because I'm gonna just keep it 100 with you guys. I mean, it was just too complicated. And I'm already a marketer. Me and my wife, we know how to make money online through sales and marketing and funnels and all that internet marketing stuff. That's what we've been doing for a decade, pretty much. And so we know how to make money. But I always looked at like, hey, I want to learn, how to trade. I want to learn how to do Forex and stuff. And I'm just speaking from my perspective. I never really focused on it simply because for me, it's just very complicated. It's very complex, and people can do it, and people do it every day. And there's ways to scale up to that. And even we have Forex training and different things here inside of Ncrease. But I love how HFX, in my perspective, is a good way to get people started. Okay. Yeah, they might want to do this and do that in the future. Great. But start here, because this is something that you can do, and you can start playing in this game, and you're going to start learning more as you continue to play it. And what we've got here, guys, is truly amazing. From the calls that we have, the live sessions, the training, the tools, the things that are definitely coming down the road. Shout out to Karen and Peter Hirsch, the owners of Ncrease, and their team, their executive team that's running the company and everything. Guys, as you know, it just keeps getting better and better with Ncrease. We had a very important corporate call, I think it was on Monday, and they had a lot of incredible updates, a lot of great things that's happening. One thing that really caught my attention, we're actually getting ready to start. We get paid every Friday, and we're getting ready to get paid. So when we get paid on Friday, they're going to pay us instantly, right into our bank account. Like, we got paid. Normally you're in a business or whatever, and you get paid on whatever day, and you log in. Oh, there's my commission, right? And you got to withdraw it or whatever. And it takes another 2 or 3 days for it to come, and that's normal. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just how things have always been, right? You wait 2-3 days or whatever. Boom, it finally hits your account. Boom, you're in business, right? Sometimes they might give you a card, and maybe you can put it on your card, and you can do whatever. But they're going to have it to where when we get paid on Friday, we can go into the back office and boom, we can get paid right then, right into our bank account. Bam! Right then, right? So that's one update. There's a lot of other updates that you'll find out once you get started. And it's just going to keep getting better in terms of the systems and the things that the company's doing. We're just at a really good stage right now. And that's what I was saying. Right now, I'm telling you, I only do this for a living. Okay? I've been doing this full time for a long time. Okay? There's usually a window of an opportunity. Okay? Well, especially if it's a company that has really good infrastructure like Ncrease does, good ownership, experienced ownership, because our owners, they've been in this industry for almost 20 years, and they've been chief operating officers for other companies, and they sat on boards and launched companies, and they've made millions in the field. So we've got it all laid out. The point of where we're at right now is the momentum is growing right now. Okay. But it's not like where, those opportunities where everybody's in it. At that point, you get to that point, well, I don't want to join. You know what I'm talking about. You ever wanted to join a business or someone pitch you a business? You're like, well, I don't know if I want to do that because everybody's in it. Well, we're not there yet. Okay. But it's growing. So think about the people that got in early to where now that company has hundreds of thousands of reps all over the world or whatever. We are far from that. And so, but that window every day is closing. Okay. It's open, but every day it's closing in terms of how you can really capitalize on the momentum. It's going to be a great opportunity a year from now. It's going to be an amazing opportunity 2 years from now, but it's going to be so much sweeter for the people that are getting started today. Okay. I got people and friends of mine that, that I know personally, that I talk to on a regular basis, that are making enormous amounts of income, mainly because of the timing of when they started with that program and they just stuck with it. And now they're just, whoa. Again, every day, just let it, every day, that window just keeps on. It's open, but every day is closing. And this is I always call it, it's the Goldilocks zone. Okay, we're in the Goldilocks zone of Ncrease right now. Now is the time to take advantage of something that's going to be truly amazing and is really impacting a lot of people. So I'm excited, guys. Again, get back with the person that invited you to this webinar. Get back with them ASAP. So they've got a registration link. You'll see one of our systems and everything. Go there, get in position, go ahead and get started. Go through the training. You'll see how we got our tools, our systems. You'll be able to get plugged into everything that we're doing as a team, our groups, our systems, and all that stuff. And so you can go ahead and get started. So, hey guys, thanks for listening for the last, I guess, almost an hour.